Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon mosasaurus. So to start off with our cartoon mosasaurus, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little circle, and then I'm just going to draw a small circle inside of here, and then just color in the rest of it. Now, at the top of this circle, I'm just going to add a little curved line, just like that. Now, right above the eye, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to curve up and down. And then I'm going to bring this side of the line down just a little bit farther. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go out like this, and then I'm just going to curve it back to here and kind of like a little smile. And then you can add a little curved line like this on there. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's just going to kind of curve around like this. And then right up here, I'm going to just color in a little black dot for the nose. Now, along the mouth, you want to add just a couple little triangle shapes for some teeth. And over here, you want to add a little sad face for the other eye that you can't see. Now, starting here, you just want to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this for the body. And then I'm going to draw another one that kind of curves down to here. Then just take this line and just kind of curve it down, and then just kind of curve it back up. Then take a little line that's just going to curve up here. And then draw a little small line that goes down and then curves up for that little back flipper. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up to here. And then you just want to round it off and then just curve it all the way back down to this little flipper that we drew. Now right here, we want to add another flipper, so just draw a line that goes down and then it's going to come back up like this. And then all along the back here, we want to add some little spikes. So you just want to add some different little triangles that just go all the way down here, and you can make them go all the way to the end of the tail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cartoon mosasaurus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.